raise this. Although it might be not a pressing concern for a lot of some countries, for Afghans, terrorism extremism is not an obstacle policy debate. It's our lived reality, our scars, and our daily nightmare. And let me be clear, when we raise the alarm about extremism and terrorism, it's not meaning that we are calling for foreign troops. This is Afghans' job to raise their concern about justice and accountability. It doesn't mean we are repeating the same scenario which we have seen in the past. Anyway, I will talk quickly about 5 to 6 short points. The Taliban return, a more little threat than before, and the reason why this Taliban are much dangerous than previous Taliban. The second, the threat of ISIS Khorasan. It's also a very important topic. The third is the Taliban terror diplomacy. How they use this as a diplomacy in the region. Number 4, the consequence of ignoring Taliban's behavior, because we have seen this in the past. What will be the consequence possible? The illusion of good and bad terrorists, which region played a very destructive role on this. And the 6th will be snakes in their handlers' stool. This is also very important, that why we knew it, the regional consensus on